ambulance.
There's an ambulance.
You fucking hit?
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get med kit.
Yeah.
Which building?
Where you hit at? Okay, hey. You got clothes, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's out there. You fucking... What is your name?
Eric.
Eric what? Okay. Shit! God damn it! Good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Turn the fucking gun! Good! He's running north! He's running north! He's gonna be running